Nilfisk VP300. Nilfisk introduces the VP300 series vacuum cleaner, a simple, durable, and efficient way of cleaning. VP300 is easy to use and first and foremost gets the job done. With an efficient motor, smart design, and exceptional filling capacity, the cleaner is best in its class. Extensive trials and long experience in the field has helped Nilfisk to create a cleaner that works continuously trouble-free and has built-in time-saving features. The VP300 eats bumps and bruises for breakfast. The protective rear wheel cover and the threshold bumper ensure that the cleaner stays safe and protects the surroundings from impacts and markings. The dust bag in the VP300 has a filling volume that is more than double of its competitors, which saves you money. While extremely quiet, the VP300 saves energy with its low power consumption and ensures environmentally friendly cleaning. The dual-speed function can add extra power to help cleaning in tough situations. VP300 series has a fine HEPA exhaust filtration as standard that ensures while dirt comes in, cleaner air is expelled out of the exhaust. With its smart design, durable features, and reliable functions, the VP300 series offers you an efficient and easy cleaning experience every time.